Shenzhen MICNO Electric Co. Limited, stock code 839,477, established in 2012, is a professional engaged in the R&D production, sale, and service of variable frequency drives, solar pump inverters, off-grid inverters, soft starters, and reactors. The products cover 220 V, 380 V, 660 V, voltage levels with 0.4 kW to 1.6 MW power range, which are widely used in electric power, metallurgy, petroleum and chemical, mining, textile and chemical fiber, printing and packaging, papermaking, machine tool, plastic, hoisting, solar, agricultural, irrigation, and other industries. In addition, we've obtained CE and ISO certificates. With market-oriented, customer-centric business philosophy, we provide high-cost performance products and services to customers, making the customers more competitive. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America, etc. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. With MICNO, drive the world.